Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to learn about that how we can create a copy button for an input field such that whatever we write inside the input field we can just copy those content with the help of the copy button. Since in most of the website you have seen this kind of functionality with the password or the details that the user inputs, if you want to copy that he can simply copy it also, and that's what we are going to explain you today, that how it functions, right? So this is the basic HTML part of it. You can see that I'm having an input here, input field, whose type is basically text and the ID is my input, right? And also we are having a button whose content is basically copy, and I have also put a function, right, that is copy text, which we will create later, right? So let's see that how it is looking. So you can see it, this is how it is looking, our input field and a copy button, that's it. I'm not working on the UI part, that's your task, that's your rule. So you can do it as per your need, and my work is just to explain you the functionality, right? So now let's start with the JavaScript portion and let's create its function. So initially how we will start, basically first of all I will create a function. And what is the function? Basically this copy text, right? So let's copy the copy text and like this, right? Now inside of this we will write const input equals to document dot get element by id, and what's the id of it? That is my input, right? So yeah, like this. So we have basically got get the element of this particular input, right? Now after that what we will do, basically we want to copy the value which is written inside the input field, right? So that's what we will create, that is const, sorry, again sorry, const text to copy, right? Now here we will write, that is input dot value, whatever the value, whatever the thing which is written inside the input field is called a value, and that we are taking inside this particular variable, right? Now if you want to copy, just simply here write navigator.clipboard.writeText bracket, and that is your text to copy, and that's it. That's the main functionality, right? But we will add one more few things just to make it better, right? So after that we will write that then, that if this particular line of code gets successfully completed, right, after that it will basically do what, that it will call a function, and inside the function I'll make a alert basically, right? So alert is what, that text copied, right, like this. And after that, if any, in any case any error occur, in that particular case we will catch it with the help of catch, right? Instead of say write err, and not like this basically, right? So yeah, in the catch we will basically write err, and we will create an arrow function here, and inside of this we will write, why it is showing me error is, I'm okay, basic mistake is that dot, I have not put the dot here, right? Say dot catch, after that console.log, and inside of this I will write failed, and why failed, that region will be stored here like this. Got it? Now this is how it is working, that's the main functionality. Let's see that whether it is working or not. So let me write the most important line of the world, that is subscribe the channel basically, right? Subscribe channel, right? So yeah, and if I click on the copy button, you can see I got the alert that is text copied. Let's see that whether it is copied or not. I'm opening a notepad here and just paste it here, that is control plus V, and yeah, subscribe channel, as you can see here, right? See, it is working very fine and completely. You can check the functionality again, it is very easy to understand. And if you understood it very clearly, then make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.